Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you make Gamepass and please donate Roblox. In order to do it so, you have to follow the steps. So when you come to the Roblox website and log into your account, next you simply want to click on Creators Hub from the top of the page. As you go to the Create section, on this field, you have to actually scroll down a bit and go to Creations. While you're taken to creations, you can then see your experience or the game or the place. You want to click that out first of all. Then you simply want to scroll down to monetization section. Under monetization, you want to click on passes. As you go to passes, then you could either create passes or you have all of these. So I'm going to go ahead and create a pass first of all. You could then go ahead and upload a photo. You could go ahead and add a description. Click on create pass. As the pass has been created, now what you need to do is you simply want to go ahead and locate the pass that you've created recently. So you want to click on it or double click on it first of all, and when you are taken to this field, you simply want to go to sale and you have to place this item for sale. So toggle the button, add in the amount and click on save changes. After you've actually done it, so now you want to go to the Roblox homepage. And next, what you have to do is when you come to the home page, you simply want to go ahead and locate please donate. So go ahead and open up please donate. Now you want to open this up, after which you just have to go ahead and customize, and you've successfully set up please donate on Roblox or created Gamepass for please donate. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.